101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia, back again. We are still here. BPEC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Okay, giving applause first. Okay. Anyway, back to topic, golden generation. What about you, Mr. Brian? What is definition based on your own words?
Okay, based on my based on my explanation, golden generation is one who have a skill. Then we have to continue their career. Like for example, there is a singer.
And the most important is the skill is very skillful.
Yeah, very
right?
skillful.
Yeah, not only skilled but very skillful.
Yeah, very skillful.
I like how to say, not average.
Like,
it's outstanding.
Yeah, outstanding.
Yeah,
yeah, and like our diva Indonesia, like like a Titi DJ. She makes song, then remake by one of the idol of Indonesia.
Okay, so one of the definition is a role model.
Yeah, role model.
Like a popular, qualified, skillful, outstanding people, something like that, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Golden. You know, in Bahasa emas. So talking about emas is the value. Yeah. It's like philosophy. The golden or emas is like the value is very, very high, right?
Yeah.
The value. So it's very related with that. Okay. Anyway, my second question is, do you know what is indicator that people or group peoples or community that we call they are or she is or he is or are gold generation? What is the indicator?
Well, I guess it's about their knowledge first. No, not knowledge, but the first thing is attitude.
Yeah. Okay.
Without attitude, your knowledge is just a zero. Yeah, like I just wanna criticize our government. Most of our work employee in the government, they are smart and diligent. They have a large knowledge, but in the other side, they have a bad attitude. Sometimes they lie to the public. They, like.
So what the point?
So
what indicators?
Yeah, as I
said, you are explain about the opposite. But what the point? The point.
Okay.
I say about the point. Yes.
Knowledge. Knowledge is
attitude. Knowledge.
And the last one is honesty.
Honesty. Wow, this is a value, right?
Yeah.
Value.
Yeah, we don't. Our country tidak kekurangan the smart people or diligent people, but we don't have honesty people.
Yeah. It's a very fundamental. It's a very vital,
I guess,
right?
The fundamental things that you guys need to teach or educate your children later is tell them how to be honest and loyal to others people.
Okay. So the point is the people who have honesty, right? Because honesty is a very difficult to find them, right?
Sure.
Honesty. Okay. Okay. I like that slogan. What about you? What is maybe you have a other edition about indicator about gold generation except skillful?
Well, talking about the parameter of being the golden generation itself. Basically, the term of golden generation itself could fit in very fields or places. But the most important thing is that what I know about the parameter of the golden generation itself, when a group of people in that time, in that moment, could beyond or could reach beyond the expectation of the society at the moment. So the moment when this group of people could beyond the expectation that the people have at the moment, they can be said as a golden generation.
Like the people who always break the limit.
Yeah, it can be said so.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Navi. Okay, sure. I move to you. What about you? Do you have addition? I mean, like your perspective about golden generation, the indicator or parameter?
Yeah, like our brother said before, the first one is our attitude and honesty. So
what about your perspective itself?
In my perspective, the
indicator
of golden generation is the one who inspire everyone. I mean,
inspiring.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who are the role model of that skill.
Do you have a prototype that you can mention? Prototype or like role model by concrete one by saying or mention to smart viewers and listeners at home?
My role
like who? Like who? Like Richard? Like us?
The role model is like almarhum Olga Syaputra.
Okay.
Yeah, he's not skillful. He's not.
But he's so kind.
Yeah, so kind.
And helping people.
Helping people
yes.
because of his attitude, his honesty, and many celebrity are
golden generation.
Are
like Cinta Laura Kiel.
How to say terkenal?
Popular, famous.
Popular because of him.
Okay. Thank you, Brian. Okay, I move to Dino. Okay. Yeah, Dino. What is the indicator or parameter that the people's we can call golden generation?
To me, to us to perspective to make or judge that era as our golden generation is the trend we're doing in that time. Like trend or something like fashion, music on that era. Who people like now
like
call
who?
Like who?
Yeah, like who?
People like now call us is the golden generation. Like in now, a lot people who like the 90s style, like now a lot young generation.
Do you have a figure in Indonesia that deserve we call golden generation?
I very like music from not from Indonesia but Japan. It's called Maria Takeuchi. It's diva from Japan and sing.
What about in our country itself? Do you have a figure? Because we're talking about Indonesian,
maybe
we will face in 2045.
Superman is dead. That's band.
From Bali.
From Bali.
Right. Okay. You like them. Yeah, your favorite. Okay.
And
your favorite band, right?
Yes.
Anyway. Okay, thank you, Dino. It's nice. Anyway, because we talk about golden generation, people who live now until 2045, we can calculate. You can approximately how you're old how old are you guys when the 2045? But we will back after this. Don't get anywhere. Don't get anywhere. Smart FM 101.1 Spirit of Indonesia after this.